What's your...
We're playing this game
What
called
is this?
Peppa Pig Candy Floss.
Peppa Pig? No, there are no voice at the moment.
Why?
It's transferred to the computer.
Why?
Peppa Pig home?
Yeah, Peppa Pig
Peppa's
home.
theme park.
But we
To
don't
play,
have it.
choose a named
Okay.
slot. There are
Wow,
lots of
so
fun
many
games to play
games.
here.
I want
Every time you
candy.
play a game, Peppa and George both have a sweet tooth. Can you help them make the candy
Yeah,
floss?
candy
They
floss.
can't
I
wait
like
to eat
candy
it.
floss.
Really?
Choose
But
one
I
of the
was
games.
like one
Daddy
candy
Pig
floss.
would like a pink
Where's one
candy
of
floss.
purple?
What you wanna do now? Ah,
Move
It's
your
a
finger around the
purple.
bowl.
you have to mix it?
Don't stir too much or it will
There.
get too big. That one's perfect. Can you help them to eat the candy floss? Touch that candy floss to eat it.
Wow,
And then
that's
That
red.
was yummy.
the first one
Where's
is...
not
please.
coming,
Mummy Pig.
everyone?
Would
Who's
like
coming
a
now?
blue
Okay.
Where's
candy
one of
floss.
blue candy floss? I smell like blue candy floss.
What color
Move
is
your
it
finger
Blue,
around
blue.
the bowl.
It's yummy
Don't stir
candy
too
floss.
much or it will get too big.
Maybe.
That looks
Ooh, Peppa's
delicious.
eating.
Can you help them to eat the
It's
candy
not
floss?
that bites Mommy
Touch that
Pig.
candy floss
Mummy
to
Pig.
eat it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
that was
Sorry,
yummy.
I don't know exactly.
please.
Peppa character.
Peppa.
This is the Peppa.
Peppa,
Blue.
oh great.
Another candy floss, another blue candy floss.
Great.
Move your finger around the bowl.
I'm not sure is
Don't
it.
stir too much or it will get too big. Can you help them to eat the candy floss?
Where's
Touch that candy floss
eating
to
the cup?
eat it. that was
Where's
yummy.
not coming
Next,
everyone?
please.
Oh,
George,
now?
There's George.
blue
George.
candy floss.
Why another yellow candy floss?
Ah, George is requesting
finger
some
around the
blue. Huh?
Don't stir
Yeah,
too
it's
much
like-
or it will get too
Oh,
big.
great.
That one's perfect. Can
Where's
you help them
eating
to
the
eat the candy
copper?
floss? Touch that candy floss to eat it.
I can play
that
with
was
PlayStation,
Next, please, Daddy
Alright.
Pig.
but I
And
have
now?
Like
Who's
a
now?
pink
Daddy
candy
Pig.
floss.
Daddy Pig. Great. He's requesting what
Yeah.
color? Purple.
It's a purple.
Move your finger
Purple.
around the
You
bowl.
can actually
Don't stir
say
too much or it will get too
Pink.
big.
what
That looks
the
delicious.
hell
Can
I'm
you help them
learning
to eat the
English
candy
together
floss?
with you.
Touch
Thank you
that
very
candy
much.
floss
Thank
to
you.
eat it.
was this candy
that
Now,
was
who's
yummy.
coming now?
Next,
Who's
please, Mummy
I
Pig.
wanna
Mommy
do,
Pig.
Are you sure?
I wanna
Are you
this.
ready to go to the...
I wanna
Peppa and
control
George want to play with the
cars.
remote-controlled cars.
Great.
Can you help
Oh,
steer the
it's
car around the
nighttime.
simple course? But remember to watch out for the hazards. Choose one of the games.
And no
Peppa, you are
hazards.
driving the red
What
car.
game is it,
Are you
Peppa?
ready?
Racing
3,
cars.
2,
Racing
1,
cars. Great.
go!
With Peppa Pig. Huh?
And
Wow.
there's no more mods.
Wow.
There's no more.
Which is your car? No?
Yeah, it's my red car.
Red.
Whoa! That's a faster car.
Oh, you lost the game.
Press the
You
turbo
lose.
button
You
to go
loser.
faster.
You two. Is that my friend's?
No, I will help
Is
you.
that my friend's? His name is Gertialeiton? Is that his? Gertialeiton is color blue?
Great
That
driving.
is green color. Dude, I do it. I do it. What the?
What you doing now, Gertie?
Looks like a bike.
Bike.
Looks
Watch
like
out,
a
you
beer
are going the
bike.
wrong way. Are you sure?
Wow.
Are you
Well,
ready
I
to
would
go to the
like
theme
a
park and
train
have some
ride.
fun? You can buy more
Like
stickers
a-
with the tokens you have
This?
won in the theme park shop.
Holy
To
shit!
get more stickers, you need
Where's
to play
in there
more
in
games
Peppa?
to earn tokens.
Where's in there in Peppa Pig? Is where's in their borders? Bears. Hey. What's that noise?
No, I think you have to put, for example, this one. How should we play this game, Gertie? Ready? And now?
You can buy more stickers with the tip. Are you ready to go to the thief? Peppa and her friends really love to play on bumper
I
cars.
like bumper cars.
Can you help Peppa steer the car
And
and
those safe
bump
things.
into her friends? Choose one of the games.
I want
Use
to
your
be
finger
this.
to move Peppa and George's bumper car. Bump the car that you see at the top of the screen. Bump car number 2.
I like number 1. Haha. Hey.
You are number 2.
No, I'm number 1. But there's no more number 2.
Bump car number 3.
There's Where's Pedro in there? Where's me? There is!
Bump car number 2.
Why Susie? Why Susie? Whoa. Where's that, my friends?
Bump car number 3. Bump car number 2. Bump car number 3. Bump car number 2. Bump car number 3.
Stop doing noise. Hey, my friends. My friends. I should probably not leave in. That's a letter. I think that's a letter.
Are you sure?
Okay, it's
There are
enough with
lots of
Peppa.
fun games to play.
No.
Peppa
We can do
loves
another
water
video.
games.
Why?
Can you help Peppa use the water cannon?
Bye, Gertie.
Boom, 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 boom.
What's your...
We're playing this game
What
called
is this?
Peppa Pig Candy Floss.
Peppa Pig? No, there are no voices at the moment.
Why?
It's transferred to the computer.
Why?
Peppa Pig home?
Yeah, Peppa Pig
Peppa's
home,
theme park.
but we
To
don't
play,
have-
choose a named
Okay.
slot. There are
Wow,
lots of
so
fun
many
games to play
games.
here.
I want
Every time you
candy.
play a game, Peppa and George both have a sweet tooth. Can you help them make the candy
Yeah,
floss?
candy
They
floss.
can't
I
wait
like
to eat
candy
it.
floss.
Brother.
Choose
Really,
one
I
of the
was
games.
like one
Daddy
candy
Pig
floss.
would like a pink
Where's one
candy
of
floss.
purple?
What you wanna do now? Ah,
Move
It's
your
a
finger around the
purple.
bowl.
you have to mix it.
Don't stir too much or it will
There.
get too big. That one's perfect. Can you help them to eat the candy floss? Touch the candy floss to eat it.
Wow,
And then
that's
That
red.
was yummy.
the first one.
Where's
Next,
not
please.
coming,
Mummy Pig.
everyone?
Would
Who's
like
coming
a
now?
blue
Okay.
Where's
candy
one of
floss.
blue candy floss? I smell like blue candy floss.
What color
Move
is
your
it
finger
Blue,
around
blue.
the bowl.
It's yummy
Don't stir
candy
too much
floss.
or it will
Uh-huh.
get too big.
Maybe.
That looks
Ooh, Peppa's
delicious.
eating.
Can you help them to eat the
It's
candy
not
floss?
Peppa, it's Mommy
Touch the
Pig.
candy floss
Mommy
to
Pig.
eat it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
that was
Sorry,
yummy.
I don't know exactly.
Next, please.
the Peppa character.
Peppa.
This is the